animals like this. So I have a balloon here, and I'm going to teach you how to make one. So I have instructions down here that tells you everything. So for the first instructions, it tells us to do that. And the second one, it tells us to twist. So it shows us bending the thing and then twisting. It's easy. Then we get this. Okay, and then next it tells us keep making loops by doing. So you are creating your character. So it tells you to do another loop about this size, the size of your other leg. And you get this, okay? Kind of looks like a dress. And now it tells us to do the third and final loop. So this one I always have trouble on. And there you go, you created your balloon doggy. So that's how you create a balloon animal. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how to do one again. So we have this and the pump. We put the balloon on the pump. Put it on. Okay, then you need to make sure there's no holes. And once you make sure there's no holes, you start pumping it up. Is there a hole? Yeah, there is a hole in this one, so we're going to get a different one. Okay, no hole. Got it. Now you start pumping it up. Just a little more. Okay, that's a few more pumps. Okay, it's long enough. It's important to leave a little piece at the end. And that basically just helps it not from popping. And then you tie the balloon. Uh-oh. This is the trickiest part of all of them, just tying the balloon. Ooh, that one came out easily. So I tie it around the pump like this, and then when I take it off, I pull this little tab thingy, and then I pull it off the pump. So now we have our balloon, and then you make your balloon dog. So I'll show you how to make it again. Take it and twist it. There you go. And twist it again. There we go. And now the head. Meet long-nosed dog. He's a dog with a long nose. You like him? Okay, so that's the end of our video today, and I hope you liked it. Bye.